Okay, guys, come back again with the part 3. Okay, in the part 3 we talk about how to use the data types in Vue.js. So I think that you know already when we learn the JavaScript. Okay, in the JavaScript with the Vue.js, this is the same. Okay, and the same. So right now we want to create with the data types. So in the data type, you know already in JavaScript we had the a number, string, boolean, object, array. Okay, I summarize with the data types. So okay, but I remove the big int because we use with the numbers only. So in the number we have the dots, the refer to the any number, floating point, and big int or int. Okay, so we back to the hello world. So in hello world, and this we create with the string. So we change and the string, we create the number. So okay, I use with the value number. Okay, we write with the syntax string and do the array to do object. Done. Okay, so I copy and we pass here. So I use the I remove the Vue.js. So we choose. Okay, I remove the Vue.js because we have string already one more. So in the I to hello world. Okay, so we call the number here. I use the string numbers. Right, so I copy. Okay, when we console and in there the narrative as got a number with the value 1. Okay, so we add I add 1 numbers. So we display as with the number. So we and you can find any error with the mutating of block directives in the value will be overwritten whenever. So we must delete the ID. For example, I add 1, 2, 3. When I refresh, so in the array chain to the 1, 2, and 3. So we add the object here. Okay, I add the object. Okay, ID and 1. Title td1 and complete it and true. So I refresh. Yes, okay, and the object display as refer to the object and the boolean with the default false. Okay, so we add boolean. You did drills. So when I refresh again, okay, and this is the drill values. Okay, so we continue how if we call it like this. So I call, for example, we had the data. Okay, we use the number. Okay, and this. Okay, sorry. We use the prof. So for example, I use the compute. And the compute means that when the user imports or the change data, and the import compute directory is on the runtime to display to the user. For example, I use this number. Okay, but we can call the like this. I am sorry. So we go back to the I move. Okay, we move here. Okay, we use this right, but I want to show you is with the directive or and bind data from the parent component, because this is the important when we create our application. So we go back to and right now into, so we import the number. Okay, I import the numbers. I add the number and array 1, 2, 3 booleans. Okay, done. We can change to another word done. Okay, we had done and the object. Okay, to do, and we add 1 to do 1. Okay, right. Now we want to bind the data into the char or to the char component into the hello world view component. So we add the number. Okay, so we add the number, and I call the number method from the data keys. Okay, alright. So we call with the okay, and the bind refer to the array here and to do. So we call the alright. I change to the sort array keywords. It's array. So we use the space, and I add the done. Okay, done. Done. To do, and we add to do. So when I refresh, okay, and the right data to display is from parent to the char component. Okay, and in the console browser we have no error anymore. Okay, if we want to change the number here, for example, if we use it like this, mean that the number this is JavaScript consider as a number as string. So when I refresh, and this is the error. So in the Vue.js, when we call with the blob, when we add the input with the type data type with the key value pair, you cannot use you can use, but the console or in the Vue consider this is a string. Okay, and we must to use or we write application data type as with the current data types. Yes, so I change this. Okay, I use when I press, and this is the successfully. Okay, if we use, for example, if I change to array, we need and object to expected object got array, mean that to do as a got array data types. If we change the array to object, okay, use the object to display message. Try again. We can in this console browser type check for prop array, okay, for prop array, and expected the array got on the object. So we must the input with the key value correct. Okay, so I refresh again. Okay, and this is the object. So I come back. Okay, I pay again. Okay, so everyone, and I think you know clearly how to use data type and bind data to from parent to child component. Okay, and this part 3 I want to finish. If you like my teaching, please subscribe below or share to another for the beginner that we want to know the Vue.js. Okay, everyone, say goodbye, and don't forget to meet me in the next time with the part 4.